journey from animal to asset
A symbol of wild power, co-opted and commodified.
And sinus break. Routine health checks ensure prime condition.
This is the point of no return.
Each specimen is logged and tracked. The journey from animal to asset begins here. Raw materials arrive from global sources.
Only flawless hides proceed. Automated systems ensure seamless sorting. The scale of operation is immense, systematic. The first wash removes salt and begins rehydration. Precision machinery prepares the hide for tanning. Chemical baths break down hair follicles. The true character of the skin is revealed. Traditional methods meet industrial scale for perfect pliability. Quality is checked at every stage. The tanning process fixes the protein structure permanently. Transformed by chemistry, the skin is now stable leather. Precision gauging ensures consistent thickness and quality. Custom blends impart specific softness, color, and water resistance. Every batch is validated before proceeding. Controlled drying prevents cracking and sets the dye. Mechanical softening gives the leather its signature supple drape. Buffing creates a uniform surface for final finishing. A protective coating. A protective top coat seals the color and adds durability. Heat sets the finish, locking in the luster.
Every parameter is measured and verified.
Automation ensures seamless transition to final preparation. Final inspection under precise lighting catches the smallest flaw.
Laser cutting ensures absolute precision and zero material waste.
Edge skiving is crucial for invisible seams in high-end goods. Heated creasing adds a signature detail and reinforces the structure. Robotics assist in the flawless application of fine hardware.
The final polish brings out the leather's inherent, luxurious glow.
The last human touch is one of ruthless scrutiny. The finished goods enter a fully automated logistics system.
Palletizing is optimized for security and space.
The final leg of the journey begins.
Climate control preserves the goods in transit.
From raw material to finished product, the cycle is complete. The facility operates around the clock, unseen. A new cycle begins as the last one ends.
The process demands consistency in every detail.
From this to them.
The final destination is one of anonymous luxury.
Crafted to perfection. Sourced from nature.
An empire built on a secret, deep in the mountains.
The system is self-sustaining. The operation, perpetual. The genetic library is the true wealth of the operation.
Advanced cellular agriculture ensures an endless supply.
The future is grown, not hunted. Efficiency reaches its zenith in the synthesis stage. Two lines, one purpose, maximum yield.
The product is perfect, regardless of origin.
The cycle is now closed, and the secret buried. The global distribution network is vast and untraceable. Destination: the world's most exclusive markets. The final consumer feels only quality, knows nothing of the source. A symbol of wild power, co-opted and commodified.
We have mastered nature. The question is, to what end?